My dear friend, Zydes company is currently inviting candidates for a walk-in for Vaccine Technology Limited for the plant which is located at Ahmedabad on 7th April from 10 a.m. to 12 noon. So they are hiring for apprentice or freshers with diploma in chemical engineering for vaccine manufacturing plant. So the venue is Zydes Biotech Park. So opposite Ramdio Masala. So these are the details regarding the vacancy from Zydes, my dear friends. Let us move on to the next company. So my dear friends, Medley Pharma is conducting walk-in interviews. So here you can see on 7th April tomorrow from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. at Medley Pharmaceuticals Limited, survey number 378/7, 379/2 and 3 Jari Caseway Road. So if you are unable to attend the interviews, you can share your CV to the below mail IDs mentioned here for the roles QA Officer, Validation, QA Supervisor, QC Officer and QC supervisor. The qualification required is M.sc or Bpharm with minimum 1 to 3 years of experience for QC supervisor, for officer 2 to 5 years, for QA 1 to 3 and 2 to 5 for a supervisor and officer respectively. So the venue is here you can see Medley Pharmaceuticals Limited, Kachigam, Daman. Thank you for watching, my dear friends. Let us move on to the next vacancy. My dear friends, IPCL Laboratories is conducting walk-in at Piperia on 8th April Saturday. So these job openings are for freshers in production and quality control departments. Coming to the designation assistant technician, the qualification is ITA, HSC or SSC. The experience required is freshers candidate. So candidate should be able to read or write basic English words. Age limit 18 to 24 years. Coming to the interview venue, IPCL Laboratories Limited, plot number 3A, opposite Samosaran Government Industrial Estate, Piperia, Slivasa, Uttar Pradesh of D and NH. The timings are 10 a.m. to 13 p.m. That is 1 p.m. So let us see another vacancy from Honor Labs Limited. They are hiring for candidates for multiple units on 8th and 9th of April for the following positions: production, freshers candidates, B.sc, B.A, B.com or Diploma in Chemical Engineering, QA, QC, R&D, freshers candidates, M.sc Chemistry, B.Pharm or Mpharm. For production 1 to 5 years and EHS safety 3 to 10 years, quality assurance 2 to 8 years and quality control 2 to 8 years of experience. MSc or B.Pharm or Mpharm candidates are eligible. The venue is Honors Lab Limited, house number 83166/7/1, Metro Pillar number 976, beside Bata Showroom, Erragadda, Hyderabad. So these are the details. Let us move on to the next company. So coming to the next company, Analytical Research Division of the following company, Microlabs, API R&D Center, Bangalore is conducting walk-in on 15th April, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Here you can see the work area is Analytical Research Division, experience 1 to 5 years. Freshers can also apply for the trainee position under Research Associate. The qualification is MSc Chemistry or Mpharm. The work location here you can see. These are the roles and responsibilities. The interview venue is Hotel Sai Vishram of 144/C1 Kirloskar Road, Hebbagodi, Bangalore. So these are the details, my dear friends. You can scan the QR code for the location. You can contact the following number mentioned here if you have any doubts regarding this walk-in interview.